Good morning everyone, my name is Lim Tian Yun. Number matric is 262236. In this video, I would like to present my final year research. The title is The Satisfaction of University Utara Malaysia's Students Towards INASIS Facility. And my supervisor is Dr. Wan Najrin bin Osman, and this is my poster. I will be presenting my content with the slide. Introduction. University Utara Malaysia is a fully residential university that provides accommodations for students until graduation. UUM provides a total of 14 different dormitories for more than 30,000 students, where assigned in this hall. Students call it as INASIS. Each hall has provided different facilities such as canteen, student lounge, sport field, mini market, and so on. These facilities are shared by all residential students. Previous researchers found that relationship between dormitory facility has a great impact on student satisfaction. Next, I want to present about problem statement. The first problem students will face is worry about their sustainability or being very satisfied with the INASIS. Poor building condition will affect student academic performance and level of satisfaction. Insufficient dormitory facility will have a negative impact on students' life, the convenience of living needs, the efficiencies of learning, social activity, and get enough of rest. Poor management will affect lacking fresh air, glaring, security, and high temperature or low temperature are some aspects of the INASIS facility. Third, this study aims to thoroughly investigate student satisfaction with INASIS facility in UUM Utara Malaysia, Sintak Kedah. There are three research objectives in this study: to study the factors that affect student satisfaction with INASIS facility, to identify the level of satisfaction on the facility among UUM students, and also to explain the relationship between physical factor, social factor, management factor, and student satisfaction. I will continue with my research methodology. The primary data of the research obtained through quantitative questionnaire survey and collect data by online questionnaire survey with Google Form. The questionnaire was self-administered survey, which means that respondents can fill the survey form themselves without interviewer. The target of data in this study is 360 sets data from UUM students. After that, researchers analyze all the data by using data analysis SPSS version 26 to get the result. Next, the results of this study are presented. The researchers distribute total of 360 sets of data from the questionnaire, but only collected 306 sets of data with a response rate of 85%. After that, there is reliability test. It is a method to test the internal consistency of the scale. There are 4 instruments to be measured. The co-branch alpha value for physical factor was 0.749 alpha, social factor was 0.8058 alpha, meta management factor was 0.799 alpha, and the student satisfaction was 0.822 alpha. This co-branch alpha value for each instrument is greater than 0.7, which means all the instruments in this research are reliable and consistent. In this study, also obtained an average score with 3 independent factors to measure the student satisfaction. The average score for satisfaction with physical factor was 3.5353. The mean score for satisfaction with social factor was 3.5118, and the average score for satisfaction with management factor was 3.5274. In the result, the average score of 3 independent factors is greater than 3.5, indicating that the student satisfaction with these 3 factors is at strong satisfaction level. Before going to do correlation analysis, would be do normally test air purity. due to anomaly data is the basic hypothesis of parametric tests. In this study, the study will use a variable method to test the normality of continuous data. Test B is the most widely used method to test the normality of data. The normality test can be performed in the statistical software SPSS. Table 4.11 shows that tests for factor affect student stratification with analysis facility. The result receives the significant value for each instrument, which are physical factor at 0.00, social factor at 0.00, and also management factor with 0.00. So spearmint rule will be used in correlation coefficient analysis because all of the significant value is below 0.05 and it is representing non-normal. Refer to the table of 4.14. We start from hypothesis 1. There is high positively relationship between physical factor and student stratification with positive correlation at a value of 0.714 and significant value is 0.000. The correlation analysis supports that the physical factor have a significant positive relationship with student stratification. Hence, hypothesis 1 is accepted. And the second hypothesis is high positively relationship between social factor and student stratification with positive correlation at a value of 0.709 and significant value is 0.0. The correlation analysis supports that the social factor have a significant positive relationship with student stratification. Hence, hypothesis 2 is accepted. And the third hypothesis is moderate positively relationship between management factor and student stratification with positive correlation at a value of 0.610 and significant value is 0.000. The correlation analysis supports that the management factor have a significant positive relationship with student stratification. Hence, hypothesis is accepted. In conclusion, the research objectives are achieved by the three independent variables have a significant impact on student stratification, which are physical factor, social factor, and management factor. And second, the level of stratification of students is at a strong stratified with a mean score of 3.5 and above. This shows that students are stratified with the current condition of all analysis facility with physical, social, and management factors. And lastly, the three independent variables are positively correlated with the dependent variable and have a strong relationship. In short, UAM students are stratified with living in an analysis with adequate and convenient facilities. That's all for my presentation today. If you have any inquiry, may contact me and listed on the slide. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Thank you.